What?
I don't want, Mommy.
You have to know how to write. Write na this one. Come on now.
I don't remember.
You follow the line.
Hey, Mama.
Too many. You didn't start writing. You're just crying.
Mama, too many.
You start with this one. Then another
Too
one.
many.
You start slowly.
Mommy. Too many, Mama.
Go, you write another one.
Whoa.
Go. What letter is that?
J.
Good job. You follow the lines ba? You tell them what happened. You tell them. What?
I'm tired.
You're tired. What did you do?
Weeping.
What did you do? Why are you tired?
I'm weeping.
You need to sleep. No, what did you do? Why are you tired?
I want to sleep.
Why are you tired?
I want to sleep.
I know. Why are you tired?
Sleep.
What did you do? Why are you tired?
I'm tired.
Because?
Too many.
Because you write too many. You just write one only, oh.
Whoa, Mama.
Huh? You're too slow. It's okay, Mama will help.
Not. Yeah, I want to sleep.
Sit down. Sit down.